yesterday was my gym day, and put my seatbelt on real quick. So yeah, yesterday was my gym day, so I worked out. Now I'm sore as hell. I also was, basically resetting for the week, so I washed my clothes, shit like that. Now I'm just headed to Walmart. I'm about to grab something to cook. I put a poll up for, I couldn't really decide what I wanted to make. So I put up a fried fish sandwich or some fettuccine, chicken fettuccine. You know what I'm saying? So when I get to the store, I must check out where the polls at, where the votes at, and I'm gonna decide which one I want to make. And but I really want the fish sandwich, so hopefully that's the one that's in the lead. But I'm down for the fettuccine too, though. Either one will taste good, but the fettuccine is more work right now, and I'm not really trying to do all of that. But I'll get it done, though. It's whatever. But I ain't gonna lie, though. I'm starving, man. I need some protein. 'Cause right now my body is in the muscle recovery stage. The day after my workout session. So I need to feed it. I need to put some good quality food in there, some beneficial food in there, you know what I'm saying? So I want to make a nice fish sandwich. The only thing with the fish, though, I'm gonna get some tilapia. I really like tilapia, but the only thing with the fish is at Walmart is I normally get the ones in the pack, and I don't have a fridge yet. If you guys been watching, you would know that. So the pack of fish I normally buy has individual packs in it, and it's like at least probably like 6 to 8, if not more. So it's like I have nowhere to put it when I'm done. I'm not about to make all those fishes in one night. The most I'll make is probably like 4 or 3. So I'm gonna have to look for a small pack with not much fish in it. If the fish wins the votes or whatever. I gotta also find a way to find something to hold the bed down for moving, man. It slides a lot, like a lot. So I gotta do that. So I got a few things I still gotta do on the build, you know what I'm saying, to really secure everything. So far the water bottle is secure. I didn't hear any noise or anything. It's not moving around and stuff. But I'm gonna get something that one of the subscribers suggested for my seasonings and stuff not to move. I forgot the name of it already, but yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna see y'all when I get to Walmart. Let me focus on driving, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so as you can see, fettuccine's in the lead, 53%. Dang, fettuccine. Damn, yo, fettuccine's in the lead, so I gotta go make some fettuccine. So fettuccine it is, man. Let me get the ingredients for that. Now I just dropped a video on my health and wellness channel about broccoli and certain foods you shouldn't consume, right? So that don't mean you can't eat it and have balance, because I'm about balance when it comes to diet or anything in general, basically. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna add some broccoli to the fettuccine today. This will probably be the second time in I don't know how long, probably like years, since I ate some fettuccine. You know what I'm saying? My bad, since I ate some broccoli. So I'm gonna add some broccoli to it. Not a lot, I'm gonna cut it all up. And definitely some cilantro. Always. I figured I should add some mushrooms. real healthy, real good in iron. Now I gotta get the fettuccine sauce. The fettuccine sauce. I don't really know what brand to pick, but I'm gonna pick something though. You know what I'm saying? Right now we in the section, trying to locate a good brand. This one looks good, Batali. Alright y'all, the bags are secured. I repeat, the bags are secured. I feel like I'm always forgetting something. It's like I forgot the macaroni, right? Well, the noodles, right? Same thing. But I had some left in here, but I don't think it's enough. It might be a little bit, so I might have to add some rice with it. I don't know. I'm gonna see how it goes when I boil it. But I'm about to cut up all the stuff, cut up all the seasoning and stuff like that, get everything ready. I'm getting my bowl prepared, so when the food's done, I can just pour it in there. I like to make sure stuff is ready ahead of time, so I ain't gotta really, you know, I'm always a step or two ahead of the game, you get me? As you guys know, I always fast every day. Now that I realize it, I don't eat until around this time, which is probably like after 8 o'clock, but I'm not gonna be done. By the time I'm done, I'll probably be like 9 or 10 or something, I don't know. But I don't eat all day. I didn't even drink water. You know what I'm saying? So it's good to fast. It'll get the demons off you. A real good way to get the demons off you, because you're denying your flesh. Alright, your flesh is weak, and when you deny your flesh, it's hard for them demons to get on you. Alright, so that's the tip of the day. Oh, I also realized, even though I didn't have the noodles I normally use, I forgot the noodles I normally use, and I had a little bit left. I also had one of these in here, and the flavor is fettuccine as well, and it's noodles too, it's just a different type. So I'm gonna pour that in there too with the macaroni when it's boiling, and that'll complete, you know what I'm saying, that'll be enough, more than enough for me. mushrooms up in there. We got the broccoli, the cilantro, the chicken. Now I'm about to put the powdered seasoning. Let that cook for a little bit and cover it down. Let that baby cook. It's looking real good and it's smelling good too, boy. I can't wait to dig in. Guys, I just did a quick taste test. Man, this thing is good, yo. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not just saying it because it's me. I'm telling you, it's good. What's up, guys? So I'm gonna do a taste test for y'all. Everything's done. I think I made a lot too much. So I might save some for tomorrow. Hopefully it survives in the car because I have no fridge. So here we go. Boom. Wow. 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 I ain't gonna lie, I had to put in some work. As in, you know, clean up and all that, but this thing was worth it and it tastes so good. I'm so glad you guys voted for this. Even though I fell for the fish sandwich, this tastes way better. So love and respect to y'all. Smash the like button, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. Peace.